In today's video, I'll be showing you how to sort a Microsoft Access table from smallest to largest. So here I have my table open. The name of the table is Customer Order Table. Here we have the product code, we have the customer code, we have the product name, the category. Is this item on sale? We have the wholesale price, we have the selling price, we have the margin, we have the first date sold, and we have the number assigned to each of these products. So here now, I'm going to sort the table according to the customer code, and I'm going to sort it going from A to Z. So there it is. A002, and it stops. The last record ends at A005. Let me sort the wholesale price. So I'm going to come here, I'm going to click this drop down arrow, and I'm going to sort from largest to smallest. And there you can see that the highest price is 85, then 80, then 50, then 10, then $8. All right, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to do a filter, and I'm going to show the records which have the selling price of $100. So I click this drop down arrow, and I select these to deselect all of them. Then I want to show all the prices that are $100. I'm going to click OK. And there we have all the records which are $100. I'm going to come back here now. I'm going to click this. Going to select all to bring back the original records. Okay. I want to sort this table to show the records where the wholesale price is greater than $80, right? So I'm going to click this drop down arrow. I'm going to come to numbers and filters, and I'm going to click greater than. Then I want it to select the records, show the records in the table which are greater than or equal to $80. I'm going to click here, and there I have the two wholesale prices showing the records which are $80 or more. Now you see I have this filter icon, so I click on it and I can select all to see all the records again, and there it is, right? So I'm going to use the selling price now to show all the records which has a selling price between $10 and $20. Click this drop down arrow. Gonna come to number filters. Gonna come down and select between, and here it is. The smallest selling price that we want for today's video is $10, and the largest selling price I want is $20. And then when you click OK, we're supposed to see there are the two records shown there, right? I'm gonna click the filter icon and select all so that we can see the original information. I'm gonna come here now and sort the table to show the records where the item is not on sale, right? So I'm gonna click here. I'm gonna deselect here. I'm gonna click no, and when I click OK, I will see only these two records, which has a product code B006 and B003. To return to the original table with all the records, I'm gonna click here, and I can click clear filter from is item on sale. So there we have the original records, right? If I want to sort filter the data according to male or female, I can select all, and I'm going to click the female. When I click OK, I'll see the three records there, right? So to show the original table, I'll click clear filter from category, and there is the original records, right? Here I have a table in Microsoft Access, and I want to, the name of the table is customer order table, and I want to sort the table to show the records which have a wholesale price which is less than $60. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to come to my wholesale price field. I'm going to click this drop down arrow. I'm going to come down to number filters. I'm going to come across, and we want to select less than. Then I said I want it less than $60. So I'm going to type 60 here. And when I click OK, I will see all the records which are less than $60. Now, if I want to sort it from largest to smallest, and I can click it here, and there I have the sort is applied and also the filter. All right, so I'm going to click the filter here. I'm going to clear the filter from the wholesale price, and here we have the original records. I'm going to come across now to the product name. I'm going to click this drop down arrow, and the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to sort it from A to Z, right? So we have boot, pants, shirt, sock, shoes, and then socks. Now I'm going to sort it. I'm going to do a text filter, sorry, and we're going to search for equals to. We're going to search for boot. Going to click OK, and there it is showing the product name, which is boot. So I'm going to click the filter. I'm going to clear the filter from the product name, and we'll see the original records. We're going to do another filter again. We're going to come across, and we're going to look for all the records whose product name starts with the letter S. So we're going to type S here, click OK, and there we have shirt, shoes, and socks. We're going to come here, click this filter icon. I'm going to clear the filter. We're going to come back again and come down to text filters. I'm going to put does not begin with. I'm going to choose S. I'm going to click OK, and we're supposed to see boot and pants for the records whose product name does not begin with a S. We're going to click the filter again. We're going to clear the filter from the product name. We're going to apply another filter again. We're going to come down to text filter, and we're going to come down here, and we're going to click does not contain the letter O. So we're going to type O. I'm going to click OK. Now, before we click OK, we're supposed to see these two records that has the product name, pants and shirts. Alright, so I'm going to click OK, and there it is, pants and shirt. Gonna click this filter icon. I'm gonna clear the filter. Gonna click here again. We're gonna come down to text filter, and we're gonna click ends with. So we wanna see all the product names that ends with the letter S. So I'm gonna click type S and click OK. And here we're seeing all the records that end with a S. So we're gonna come here, and this is a filter that we did, ends with the S. All right, so we're going to clear filter. I'm going to do one last filter now. We're going to come to the margin, which is in percentage. Going to click here, going to come to the number filters. Going to click equals 50. Click OK. And there, let us see what is happening. Equals 50. I'm gonna clear the filter margin. Gonna go again here, filter equals 50%. Press OK. And there we have all the records whose margin is 50%, right? So you have to put the percentage sign for the margin or any fields that you have that has percentage in it. We're going to click back this filter icon. You're going to click clear the filter from the margin. We're going to go to the date. I want to show all the records for the field that has the first date sold. We want to show the records for the items which were sold before the 6th of September. So I'm going to click here, going to go to date filters, going to come across and come before, and then we can type in the date here, or we can use a calendar to pick it up here. So we click on this icon for the calendar, and I want it before September 6th, and then I click OK. And here I have the correct information for all the records where the items were sold before the 6th of September. So you have September 5th, September 1st, September 4th. Now I'm going to sort this data from oldest to newest. I'm going to click here, and there we have it listed. September 1, the 4th of September, and the 5th of September. If I want to see the original records, then I would come here in the table. If I want to see the original records in the table without the sort, I would click this option that says clear filter from first date sold and click on it, and here I see the original records. So in today's video, I showed you how to sort the Microsoft Access table according to your requirements, whether you wanted it largest to smallest, or you wanted to search for a specific value in your table. In today's video, we looked at how to sort the table according to a specific criteria and how to filter the records in the table. So this brings us to the end of today's video.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.